like India doesn't want one kind of film or not another kind of film. Anything that is an honest portrayal of what true India is or true Indian people are is what India wants to see. Level. Fight Hunger Foundation came to me a couple of months back and showed me photographs and told me all these statistics and spoke to me about this disease that the youth of our country is suffering. It's a whole generation, it's a generational problem, you know. And it was frankly very, very scary. I thought, okay, you know, I want to dedicate some of my time to helping or giving back to society in some way. And I was like, how am I supposed to do that? I thought, let's talk about literacy. Let's think about building roads. Let's think about building toilets. You know, Rakesh Mehra was doing something with toilets. Somebody was building some roads. Someone was talking about, you know, many, many different issues. And, you know, I speak about feminism and health issues and body image issues, and these are all issues that they're generational issues, but something basic like food, shelter, clothing is something that you don't think about, especially when you come from such an affluent background like I do. I've been given everything in life. So when I saw some of these images, I felt like, I don't know, I understood what Gautam Buddha was going through, I think, to a certain extent. And I couldn't understand why this was happening. And I was trying to find a solution, and they came to me with a solution. And I was like, okay, if I become a part of this organization, will it help? If I become a Goodwill Ambassador, will it help? And they said, yeah. And I went to Sion Hospital because I wanted to see for myself, you know, because sometimes when you see photographs and you become desensitized to it. So I went to the hospital and I was very, very, very moved to see parents of young girls, baby girls, who are not even barely 3 months old, 4 months old, fighting for the life of their child. They have no money, nothing. And I was like, there's so much wastage that happens. You know, I don't want to have food. And I'm like, okay, fine, meko nahi chahiye, khana nahi chahiye. Or mujhe ye nahi chahiye. And I felt so, I don't know what to say. I felt very small. And I'm trying my very best by supporting this foundation to give back, because I've been given so much, and we've all been given so much. So I'm not going to tell you the statistics. I'm not going to tell you what everybody else is telling you. I'm just going to ask you to see beyond our small little lives. You know, we watch TV every day. We get into this we're talking about a lot of controversies. I say a lot of stupid things a lot of the times. But these issues are issues that actually, this is a very basic need that a lot of people, look at the numbers. There are 6 million children who are malnourished and there are 1 million dying every day. It's appalling. It's an appalling number for a country like India, and it's an appalling number for a country that wastes so much food. There's so much wastage that happens. So, you know, I think it's time we give back, and I think the support of the media is very, very, very important. And that's why I'm here. I usually make very good copy. People like putting me on in your papers and magazines. So instead of my dresses and sometimes my movies, I think it'll be nice if you guys put this cause in your papers and write about it and put a picture of me with all these amazing people with the Fight Hunger Foundation behind me. And your support and help will be amazing. Tweet about it, put it on social media, you know, donate. It's 5,000 rupees. It's not much at all. So I think that's basically what I wanted to say. I have like 2 pages of what I wanted to say, but I felt like everybody said so much. I just thought it was better to appeal to everybody on a human level. I'm very, very proud to be a Goodwill Ambassador for Fight Hunger Foundation. I've spoken about LGBT rights, feminism, body image issues, cancer awareness, everything. These are all amazing causes, and they are getting a lot of, a lot of awareness and they make very, very good copy. But talking about malnourishment, I don't know, maybe is not as, I don't know, maybe it doesn't make that great copy. So it's an appeal to say that make it good copy, cover this way more, and spread awareness. That's why I'm here, and I think that's my duty as a Goodwill Ambassador, to appeal to y'all to write about it and speak about it and support it. Thank you so very much for being here and being patient through this whole thing and covering this program. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Congratulations for being a Goodwill Ambassador. I was just going through the reports, then I get to know that malnutrition during pregnancy causes the child to have increased risk of future diseases. So we just go through all the figures and all the statistics. Being a Bollywood celebrity, I have seen films, we hardly go through with films जो ऐसे causes को promote करते हैं. तो क्या आप ऐसे कॉजेस को प्रमोट करते हुए कोई फिल्म बनाना चाहेंगी कुछ क्योंकि आपने
बनाई है एक्चुअली एक फिल्म I think there is a video, right, you guys have made. I think it'll be, I don't know if it's going to be shown now
because जो women's है Sonam, वो because of lack of knowledge they don't get into all this, they don't know.
Awareness is very important. Awareness बहुत important है.
And हमारी Indian audience film को देखकर
Ma'am, I think you've asked your question, we'll just ask her to answer.
That's what I want to ask, that
yeah, thanks.
Would you like
no,
to
of
make
course,
such
there are so many cinema is a very, very, any art is a very great platform to inspire people to do better. But like when you see the statistics in our country and when you see the sadness and sometimes the poverty and stuff, people go to if they spend 200 rupees or 250 rupees or 50 rupees in smaller towns or 100 rupees in smaller towns and villages and stuff like that, they want to go see color and entertainment and fun and songs and dance because they want to forget about their daily grief, It was a very big, my sister was studying in New York University and they were talking about why Indian cinema is so colorful and why there's so much music and why there's so much dance. But I can also talk about two of my films that did very, very well. One was Prem Ratan Dhan Payo and the other one was Neerja. They're both very, very different films and they both released 2 months within each other. And both of them did equally well. I'm not talking about numbers, I'm talking about, the way they did talking about profit. And so it's not like India doesn't want one kind of film or not another kind of film. Anything that is an honest portrayal of what true India is or true Indian people are is what India wants to see. And so I can't answer that question because I just did Prem Ratan and Neerja and they were both very, very different films. So I can't be like, we can do this, but I think the country also needs a film like a Prem Ratan or a Sultan, but they also need films like a Neerja, which is, there are no songs and no dance, but it speaks about being the best version of yourself. I don't know, but I hope that certain causes are underlined, maybe on a subliminal level or a more obvious level. Let's see. Yeah, of course, I'm trying my very best. I haven't signed anything yet, but I'm trying.
सोनम, आपसे सवाल है कि कितना एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा आपका ओवरऑल, और इस कॉज से जुड़ने के लिए आपको बधाई, लेकिन आप कितना खुद जुड़ी और कितने लोगों को बॉलीवुड में आपने जुड़ने के लिए कहा जो आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं?
ऑनेस्टली अगर आप आई एम हियर विद फाइट हंगर फाउंडेशन, मैं बहुत आई थिंक कम महीनों के साथ इनके साथ जुड़ी हुई हूँ. मेरी पूरी कोशिश जारी रही है इनके साथ काम करने में, उनके साथ वीडियोस बनाने में. हॉस्पिटल में साइन हॉस्पिटल, लाइक शी सेड देयर आर ओनली 20 बेड्स, पर मैंने जाके देखा कि वो एक स्पेशल फार्मूला बनाते हैं फॉर malnourished चिल्ड्रन. तो वो फार्मूला कैसे बनाते हैं एंड व्हाई दिस फार्मूला इज़ नीडेड, बिकॉज many malnourished children cannot eat food जो खाना हम सब खाते हैं ना, इवन लाइक अ खिचड़ी और एनीथिंग, दे कांट डाइजेस्ट इट बिकॉज देयर बॉडी इज़ नॉट यूज्ड टू डाइजेस्टिंग दिस फूड. तो ये सब समझने में टाइम लगता है. You know, it's very scientific. There's a lot of research that these people have done, a lot of statistics. तो ये सब मुझे समझना था जुड़ने के बाद, जुड़ने के पहले, कि अगर मैं इस कॉज के साथ जुड़ूंगी तो क्या क्या मुझे करना पड़ेगा. तो ये सब मैंने देखा. तो now it's now up to me to kind of with obviously they have an incredible team of doctors, nutritionists, a lot of scientists, a lot of people from the corporate world that are, you know, investing a lot of money. That whole team is amazing. Even so I think it's just a matter of going forward and going ahead and spreading awareness. And I'm trying my very best by doing this, by going in the evening and being a part of the fundraiser, by visiting hospitals, by creating awareness, giving a little money. I'm doing whatever I can. So let's see what happens. But जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि हमारी आशा यही है कि टाइम और वक्त के साथ things improve, and you know, we see, because eventually this is the future of our country, you know. There are these this is it's a generational problem. These are young people, these are young children, these are babies who are the future. I'm 30 years old, and so it's a matter of taking care of your generation, you know. And that's basically what it is. It's just to create awareness and try to help as much as I can.
सोनम, जब भी आपका नाम आता है, एक फाइटर की तरह आता है, ऑनेस्ट आप रहती हैं, कभी भी बॉलीवुड में कोई भी चीज़ बोलने के लिए आप नहीं डरती, लेकिन जिसके बाद आपको भी कमेंट्स मिलता है, तो आप किस तरह से डील करती है? हर्षवर्धन में भी यही क्वालिटी देखी गई है. सभी कहते हैं कि आप जो
आपको लगता है कि ये करेक्ट प्लेटफॉर्म है इसके बारे में पूछने के लिए? अगर आपको लगता है कि करेक्ट प्लेटफॉर्म है तो मैं ये क्वेश्चन आंसर करूँगी. आप प्लीज़ मुझे बताइए, because I'm very, very happy to answer all questions related to this cause and on this platform right now, because we've actually given a lot of time and effort to explain to you why this is a very worthy cause for you guys to write about.
Hi, Sonam, Ravi Kumar, News Helpline.
नमस्ते.
इन्होंने पोलियो का एक एग्जाम्पल लिया था.
हाँ जी.
बच्चन साहब ने 2 बूंद जिंदगी का एक डायलॉग उन्होंने बोला था और काफ़ी फेमस हो गया था, और जिसने हेल्प भी किया था इरेडिकेट करने के लिए पूरा पोलियो का जो प्रॉब्लम है. तो आपको लगता है एक डायलॉग जनरेट करने की बहुत सख्त ज़रूरत है इस कॉज को प्रमोट करने के लिए और इस प्रॉब्लम को इरेडिकेट करने के लिए?
मैं प्रसून सर को फ़ोन करती हूँ, मैं पूछती हूँ अगर वो एक कविता या कोई लाइंस हमारे लिए लिखेंगे. देखते हैं, उन्होंने मुझे बहुत अच्छी लाइंस दी हैं, हम ट्राई करते हैं, क्यों नहीं.